The third day of FDCI and Lakme Fashion Week had a myriad fashion showcase of classic, quirky and uber chic styles. Here's a look at the trends and styles that hit the runway on March 19, 2021. Nidhi Yasha showcased her collection, The Gypsy's Wife. Boho chic in treatment, it celebrates the visceral, sensual, hedonistic spirit of intense love and reckless abandon. The collection had flirty ruffles, fringes, and rich tassels over sheer layers, dramatic volumes, telltale surfaces to tribal and nature-inspired prints, creating a perfect medley of florals as also geometrics true to the bohemian ethos. Masaba's breezy Summer 21 line was aimed at women and men who are escapists by nature and long to get away in fun clothes. It was a nostalgic look that evoked days of crazy music, happy conversations and munching candy all day. This collection by Masaba showcased playful florals, exotic animals and revamped versions of her iconic motifs amalgamated with joyous pop colors.
When I'm designing, my process is very organic, it's not complicated. If I feel like it works for the silhouette, will it look good on somebody who's short, tall, thin, fat, I just feel like that should be what I'm thinking about. Will it make someone feel confident or not in whatever body they are? I think that's what I think about.
Spotlight winner Pella is an artisanal label conceptually driven towards slow fashion. The brand incorporated zero waste and creative pattern making in its garment construction and design in this collection, The Hive. All the pieces are made from a single block of fabric and are 100% hand-stitched. The designs utilized indigenous hand-woven textiles from silks to the finest pashminas and stinging nettle weave. Designers Gauri and Nanika were inspired by life in the slow lane as they enjoyed the many phases of the moon, the setting sunsets, blossoming flowers in their mother's garden. Their fall 2021 collection was a scintillating, radiant bouquet of blossoms that exploded at the show. Colors of nature came to the forefront as earthy and sky hues danced in a fashionable union. Ajio presented its newest label outright. The label showcased 4 fashion-forward themes: au natural, digital culture, artisanal thrift and future survival. The collection embodied the future of a new approach to style and personal expression, free-spirited, bold and progressive. Designer Suneet Verma's collection, titled 50 Shades of Happiness, is a mix of modernity with abstract artworks, enhanced by the age-old crafts of India, aimed at the feminine, romantic and modern woman. The ace designer was drawn to brightly colored children's books, stories from other long-forgotten times and dramatic storytelling for this collection. It was the perfect showstopper of the day,